Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the video. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook post design how you can design or create Facebook post in on different niches and provide these services online as well as offline. So guys, first of all, you will go to Fiverr or other freelancing platforms and provide your services there, and after that you can search websites on Google according to your niche and ask them your services and they will surely hire you. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful Facebook post design on beauty niche. So let's get started. Let's go towards canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software online available. It is very easy, very handy and easy to learn. So you can also like if you want to completely learn the Canva software, then you can check out the channel Iron Tech and go to playlist section, and here I upload a complete playlist of Canva designing course. Go there and learn, and after that you will completely learn the Canva. So I click on create an image. Here I search Facebook post. I choose Facebook post square. So it is loaded. Here I search beauty, so it provides me templates according to beauty niche, and you can see there are hundreds of templates. You can easily choose one of them. So I like this one. So it is very easy, very simple. So first of all, I would like to change the website name. I put a dummy website like Jenny makeover.com. After that I would like to change the images. So I go to background and here I search beauty, sorry, photos. So it's good. Yeah, it's look good. After that, this, and let's use other beauty elements. So that's good. Limited offer, and now we can add some elements of beauty, graphics, and we will add some templates like this. So if you want to change the background color, you can also change the background color. I think it's look good. So this is the final touch. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.